Hey guys, it's Sarah, and today I will be reviewing this Guzuka mermaid slime, and I got this from Dave & Buster's for 800 tokens, I believe, and yeah, here's me struggling to open the box because I'm just not very talented in that area of skill, so yeah, your eyes may hurt a bit. Okay, so this ended up dyeing my whole table blue, and I filmed this like over a month ago, and my table is still like a dark blue. So that's why I filmed my video before this one, the cloud slime mixing video, on a different table, if you were able to notice that. Yeah. Okay, so the package came with some glitter glue, some slushy beads, I think, something close to those, and some glitter, and some sodium tetraborate, I think, and a measuring cup, and a stick and a spoon. And the instructions said to get the glue, and it wasn't really opening, so I just took off the whole thing and used that. And then it said to add a little bit of water, and I was too lazy to measure it all out, so I just added how much I thought it should need, and I mixed it very well. I decided to add a little bit more glue because I thought the glue to water ratio was a little bit too much water, so I added some more glue and mixed it very thoroughly. So here is me mixing in the water, the warm water, and the sodium tetraborate. And I very slowly and gradually added in the tetraborate, and it's me. I wasn't patient enough and I overactivated it a little bit, but yeah, that was okay. But so I just kneaded it as much as I can, and my fingers got dyed and the table got dyed, and yeah, fun stuff. So here I'm adding in my slushy beads, I think. They kind of look like them, so they're slushy beads from now on. And I decided to add in my glitter too. And one thing was that the glitter, some of them were really sharp. They weren't like, yeah, so they hurt my hands a little bit. But I decided to add them in and mix them thoroughly, and it definitely added some texture into the slime. So this is the final product of the slime. It turned out amazing. It wasn't really that stretchy, but it turned out pretty good. So we are nearing the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I think my next video is going to be an in or out slime game, so keep your eyes out for that. And comment down below when your school starts, because I really want to know, and mine starts in a week, so not very excited for that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching again, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and bye!